YouTube, what's going on? Out here giving an update of my figs that you saw me cut and plant in this little temporary container. This was back in October, and I said I always try to do it my way, but this is the way I've done it. So let's take a peek and see how everything looks. Now, as you can see, it looks like it's 50-50. Some of them branched out into little small trees. Some didn't make it. These didn't make it. This one didn't make it. Now I want to carefully move these out. Not bad. Not bad at all. Okay. Now for my soil, I have perlite, chicken manure, put a little bit of crushed eggshell in here, some bokashi, and some shrimp. I guess I can call it shrimp dust, but what it is ground up shrimp. I'm not going to bore you with a long video, but this is what it looks like. Not bad. I did it my way. I just cut, put some root hormone, threw it in there, didn't cover it, let it sit out. When I started seeing little buds, I went ahead and I put it in the sunroom to get some sun. But this is what we look like. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of 5, not bad. Thanks for watching.